Banana peels contain 42% potassium, and if you check ingredients of commercial fertilizers, potassium is one of its three main components. For comparison, manure has only 0.5% and wood ash 10% of potassium. Potassium promotes the production of fruits and flowers, and that's why it's most often suggested for roses. However, all plants need potassium. It promotes the growth of the root system, making the plants more drought resistant. It helps transport water and nutrients throughout the plant. It helps with photosynthesis and helps plants fight diseases and pests. The most common and noticeable symptoms of potassium deficiency in plants are chlorosis, which results in yellowing or browning of leaves, and stunted growth. Plants that need more potassium than others are flowering and fruiting plants, lawn grass to develop deep roots, and potatoes, tomatoes, and zucchini. Too much potassium, however, can lead to calcium and magnesium deficiencies, so commercial fertilizers can cause more harm than good if not used properly. Banana peel tea is a free and safe option. Simply put banana peels in a glass jar, add water, and soak them for at least 3 days. Use the solution to water your plants. I also wash the bananas before peeling to get rid of potential chemicals they may have been sprayed with for transport.